Peel 4 to 7 garlic cloves or more depending on the size. Cut the garlic cloves into small pieces that can be swallowed without chewing. Now, mix the small pieces of garlic cloves into a glass of yogurt and stir. In a full glass of yogurt, add 3 tablespoons of raw honey. You are advised to drink it without chewing the small pieces of garlic cloves. This is due to the strange smell of garlic if chewed. The smell is normally disliked by most peoples. A frequent use of this natural remedy made from 3 ingredients is believed to highly improve the man's stamina. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for tips.